Okay, so here's your Nomad consulting with the magic of storytelling, and today I will be reading The Fox and the Crow. So, let us start off. Okay, let us begin. There was once a hungry crow who was looking for food. He found some cheese on the floor. "Aren't I lucky?" he said. He picked it up quickly in his mouth and flew up to a branch in a tall tree to eat it. A fox, who was also feeling hungry, came past the tree. She saw the crow with the cheese. The fox was crafty. She was thinking about how to take the cheese off the crow and eat it herself. The fox came under the tree. "Good morning, Crow." She started flattering the crow. "You look very beautiful today. Your black feathers are shining. If your voice is like your beauty, I would say there is no animal more beautiful than you. You would be the king of birds. But the other animals have said your voice is not good," said the fox. "Perhaps they are not telling the truth. Will you sing for me so I can hear your beautiful voice?" The crow believed the fox's flattery. He tried to sing and forgot he had something in his mouth, so the cheese fell on the floor. The fox jumped on it and took it. The fox got what she wanted, and the crow realized he had been tricked. "For your cheese, I will give you advice," the fox said to the crow. "If someone flatters you, don't always believe them. Think about whether they are honest." Now, I hope you've enjoyed that reading. And one thing I want to highlight that in this book, which is a great bedtime story reading for your children, is you also have a section towards the back called the comprehension, okay? And here you get to ask questions to your children, and you basically get to see if they've understood the moral of the story. You also have a section called the games where you can actually find the matching word. Really good. And then of course you have the good old opportunity to find the words with this nice option. So that's basically it. I hope you've enjoyed this nice little magic storytelling, and join me as I read you a different story. Will it be Hamid and his tummy ache, or will it be Let's Learn Somali and you watch Nomad Consultant struggle on the Somali words? Well, let me know in the comments, guys. Until the next time, you guys take care like always. Peace and love. All the best. Shop now at Somali for Kids or at your local Amazon. Trust me, your child will thank you.